How to send a gift message in Instagram. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Instagram tutorial video. In this video I am going to show how to send gift message in Instagram. And if this video helps you, please share, like and subscribe. Click your chat icon in right top corner. Choose your messaging person. Type your message. Click the search button in your left side. And choose the gifting option. Tap the message and see the animation. I hope this video helps you. You will get more tricks and tips for visit my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.